How to get 1099 from Doordash. Are you a Doordasher? Learn how to obtain your crucial 1099 tax form in this quick guide. Number 1. What's the 1099 form? The 1099 tracks earnings for independent contractors like Dashers. Number 2. Getting your 1099 form. Doordash sends 1099 MISC form by January 31. But don't worry if you don't receive it. You can still report earnings. Number 3. Accessing the form. Accept an invite from Doordash for a payable account. Fund your 1099 under Doordash your name. Number 4. Flexible delivery. You can choose how to receive your 1099 from. Update your preference in the payable app up to a week before the due date. Number 5. Check filling status. Log into your payable account to see if Doordash has filled your 1099 form. Number 6. Simplified tax process. Doordash helps streamline your tax obligations, keep records, report accurately, and let Doordash handle the form. Stay on top of your tax game with Doordash's 1099 form. Thanks for watching.